Tension surfaces in Lokhojan Kedingkro village as illegal construction resumes. Eminent leader of the Moria Karbi Bisnu Ronghang passes away. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Phamilin Teronpi, bringing you the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. Even after several news report and actions of the local police, tension had re-emerged in Lokhojan Kedingkro village in Golaghat, Karbi Anglong border. As per reports, despite repeated direction to refrain, the several people of T tribe community from Golaghat district had once again begun constructing houses in the area.
Lack of demarcation and unavailability of information to the public have been a constant source in tension across border areas, and illegal settlement mostly begins with the encroachers of the land belonging to Karbi Anglong district. Taking the advantage of the pandemic situation, the several people of T tribe community from Golaghat district have been seen illegal constructing houses in Lokhojan Kedingkro village falling under Daithor police station of Karbi Anglong. Recently, a local Karbi man, Sar Im Kro, tried to negotiate with the encroachers to stop them, but the illegal encroachers refused and went ahead with the illegal construction, forcing him to inform the local police. The police came and settled the issue and put a red flag to mark the area not to be trespassed. Following this, illegal construction stopped for several days, but the encroachers again re-entered into the district since Thursday. On hearing the sound of nailing the roof and cutting of log from the same area, Sar Im Kro immediately reached the spot to stop them, but they did not listen. According to Kro, the construction of a PMAYG house was going on, and despite the land being a disputed area, the contractor pleaded to allow him to complete the construction, or else he will face legal actions for delay in work. Ultimately, the local police had to be informed to settle the issue for the time being. People of the area lamented that the border board chairman along with the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had so far been unsuccessful to solve the illegal encroachment problems in the border areas, due to which people of local area faces immediate threat to their land and the prevailing peace and harmony of the area. A local resident has made a video and sent us where he had expressed the problems they are facing.
Kedingkro pen Lokhojan kidam tower ladak tami bongkali tum nang teng pet si tower anta phangno lab kidam tang 15 August ni rongamra pen japon lo kadowe bonai det fees tami asong se batai same Lokhojan T state T labor union atum chelang si kai ti same labang solong le ajoini aphan karak inter district border along na chirai phan kai ki tame latum ison penison lasong si ajheng nang bilo lapen ke a sentiment asonang kuawi kai ki tame nang bilo si towar kidam same kitam kiwangi phana kising saksi do non yo la so la hendo ya dak same gari ambulance so den ni der tame ni tum hang sitame wangune tanong tenon cycle pen tame arwi le nang yang idet control arwi nang yang lo te dak cycle ta kang do inda chitorok po la se helo la se dak mi tum border ke do to Karbi Anglong na pen Golaghat district inter district ang bong border chipet nai na kenil to madim helo kai ke same asodim an kanwang ta batai pri phose alam I dolo lada
Arjison Rongpar from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live.
In a big relief for the parents, 2 missing juvenile girls were recovered by the Khiruni police. The 2 girls, identified as 15-year-old Maya Lama and 14-year-old sister-in-law of Pubitra Kemprai of Hajabefiar, were rescued from 2 different places. One from Lamding under Hojai district and the other from the house of one Joy Chaudhuri, son of Singhasan Chaudhuri in Lanka.
Earlier on August 25, the 2 girls went away from home without informing anyone on the pretext of visiting a friend in Lamding and then to Hatikuli. However, after getting no information of the girls since they left home, the family members became worried. Pavitra Kempride tried all means to contact them, but he failed. After that, he approached the Keruni police for help and filed FIR. Then Keruni police, in aid with the Lanka police, immediately launched a rescue operation. Fortunately, the two girls have been recovered on Friday. Bijoy Chaudhary has been arrested and kept in the police custody. He had been accused of kidnapping and hiding the girls at different locations in Nagaon and Lamding.
Actually, এনেকুৱা যোৱা 25 তাৰিখে 25/8/2002 আমাৰ ইয়াতে মিসিং এন্ট্রি এজন মানুহ আহি মিসিং এন্ট্রি দিলে পবিত্ৰ কেম্প্ৰাই বুলি লোকজন যে তেওঁৰ ফুলখালী ছোৱালীজনী 15 বছৰীয়া ফুলখালী ছোৱালীজনী ঘৰৰ পৰা নিৰুদ্ধ কৰিছে। কাৰণ একচুৱেলি তেওঁৰ এজনী বান্ধৱী আছিল এই মায়া লামা বুলি, তাইৰ লগত লামডিঙত মানে হাতীকলিত যাম বুলি কৈ পেলাই ঘৰৰ পৰা ওলাই গৈছে। তাৰপিছত তেওঁ তাইৰ পৰা মানে ঘৰৰ পৰা যোৱাৰ পিছত তেওঁ নিৰুদ্ধ হয় আৰু সেই সংক্ৰান্তত আমাৰ ইয়াত কেছ এটা ৰেজিষ্টাৰ হয়, কিডনেপিং কেছ, আৰু সেই কেছ লৈ পেলাই আমি তদন্ত আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ আৰু লংকা থানাৰ লগত যোগাযোগ কৰি আমাৰ থানাৰ ওচি আৰু ষ্টাফে গৈ সেই ছোৱালীজনী ৰিকভাৰ কৰে। এজনী লামডিঙৰ পৰা ৰিকভাৰ কৰে আৰু এজনী হেৰি লংকা পুলিচৰ পৰা সহায় লৈ পেলাই আৰু এজনী উদ্ধাৰ কৰে।
However, the investigation is still on and the police are yet to confirm Bijoy's connection in the case. On the other hand, the girls have not clarified their cause of running away from home and how then ended up to be rescued by the police. Mohan Teron from Phelangpi, Karbi Anglong Live.
Selling wild vegetables and kitchen garden products have been a very vital source of income for several families in Karbi Anglong. However, it has been seen that the government and local authorities are not taking enough and proper care to support these vendors who earn for the livelihood of their family.
Local or the tribal vendors of weekly and daily markets across the district are mostly seen selling their products in the corner of the markets, as they are not able to avail proper place constructed by the market committees. Majority of the poor Karbi women sells their products on the roadside, below the trees or other places on finding space. Our Karbi Anglong Live correspondent from Jirikindeng had a talk with the vendors selling vegetables in the Jirikindeng market to show us the problem they face.
Darhan ka sayor pen akisung arni arre pen nang tum kisung di charna ko nang tum ko an akisung ko lo nang tum
arri tum just that family kita sayor ka jela akisung ma
senang tum dat daily market bata daily market along nang tum han ka sayor along boyar komit ye tum nang tum han tangka nang girum pon lasam dum
avelang tum arre
sana girum pon lasam ave jawab nang tum arde jangat bata arni soang oh ke ko sala nang tum lasam ka
Lewat saya bila lapan kita taruh puang mana saya. Biar komiti atau nang rapat konten.
masih siksak ulo ke
Itu mah hint. Biar komiti atau orang sini dikira nang rapat konten.
It is very heartbreaking to many to see these vendors run from shop to shelter themselves during rain and extreme heat. However, despite knowing the problems, the authority have failed to take steps to rid them of the problems. It is high time that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council now take up drastic steps for the promotion and development of rural markets to boost the economy of the district. Something Tea from Jirikindeng, Karbi Anglong Live.
In a sad news coming from Sonapur, an eminent Karbi leader who had served the society in various capacities passed away on Saturday morning.
Former president of Karbi Students Union, Kamrup, and also former president of All Assam Tribal Sangha Dimoria, Bishnu Ronghang, passed away on Saturday morning at GNRC Hospital in Guwahati. His untimely death have shocked the whole community and left the family shattered. He was suffering from serious illness for quite a long time. As per reports, he had a severe back pain and other health issues. He had been undergoing treatment in Guwahati, but unfortunately the doctors could not save him. Ronghang breathed his last around 7 a.m.
কৰিছোঁ গভীৰ প্ৰকাশ কৰিছোঁ আৰু তেখেতৰ আত্মাৰ সদ্গতিৰ কাৰণে আৰু তেখেতৰ পৰিয়ালৰ ওচৰত আমি আশীৰ্বাদত থাকিলোঁ তেওঁলোকক আমি হেৰি কৰিলোঁ তাতে বিষ্ণু ৰংহাং আমাৰ ট্ৰাইবেল সংঘৰ প্ৰাক্তন সভাপতি আছিল তাৰোপৰি তেওঁ কাৰ্বি ছাত্ৰ সন্থাৰ আৰম্ভণিৰ পৰা 2 বছৰ আৰু 2টা টাৰ্ম তেওঁ কাৰ্বি ছাত্ৰ জিলা কমিটিৰ সভাপতি আছিলে আৰু কেন্দ্ৰীয় কমিটিৰ উপসভাপতি পদত তেওঁ অলংকৃত কৰিছিলে আৰু ট্ৰাইবেল সংঘৰো 6টা বছৰ কাল তেওঁ সভাপতি পদত অলংকৃত কৰিছিলে আৰু তেখেতৰ মৃত্যু আমি গভীৰ প্ৰকাশ কৰিছোঁ আৰু পৰিয়ালবৰ্গলৈ সমবেদনা জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ
সমগ্ৰ ডিমৰীয়া অঞ্চলৰ বাবে আজি এক অপূৰণীয় ক্ষতি কাৰণ ৰাতিপুৱাই সেই দুখৰ খবৰটো পাইছোঁ বিষ্ণু ৰংহাং ডাঙৰীয়া আজি হঠাৎ আমাৰ মাজৰ পৰা হেৰাই গ'ল আৰু ডিমৰীয়াৰ জনজাতীয় সমাজক সমগ্ৰ ডিমৰীয়াৰ ৰাইজক নেতৃত্ব দিয়া এজন সবল নেতা আছিল বিষ্ণু ৰংহাং ডাঙৰীয়া আৰু হঠাৎ আজি এনেধৰণে আমাৰ মাজৰ পৰা হেৰাই যোৱা হঠাৎ তেওঁৰ অকাল মৃত্যুত আমি সকলোৱে দুখ প্ৰকাশ কৰিছোঁ আমি ছাত্ৰ সন্থাই দুখ প্ৰকাশ কৰিছোঁ
He had left behind his family, friends and well-wishers. His demise is a great loss for the Karbi community and everyone had expressed their condolences. Nituraj Ronghang from Sonapur, Karbi Anglong Live.
That's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.